Hey folks, it's Jackie the Hot Tub Lady, and I'm here with my husband Frank.
Hello everybody.
And today we are going to talk about the most amazing thing ever put on a hot tub. You will 100% love having this on your hot tub, and it is the Hot Springs Ready Light. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, you either have a green light or a blue light. It looks like the logo, but what it actually does is it tells you whether the hot tub is running. If it's all lit up exactly like this, your hot tub's running, and it's just absolutely perfect. Frank, why don't you give us a little experience on the Ready Light?
It's kind of a no-brainer situation. The whole old-style hot tub that we used to have, go out there and open it up and look to see if the thing was hot enough, or look at your temperature. This thing right here, I just peek out the window, and if both lights are on, the hot tub's ready.
I mean, it's amazing. It is amazing.
Yep,
I mean,
amazing.
there's a lot of nights that I get snowed in Sioux Falls, or nights that I don't get to make it home, and I'll have to call. I mean, this winter was terrible. I mean, it was absolutely horrible. It is still going. It is April, almost May, and we got snow again this morning. But anyway, it's so there's been some nights that I haven't been able to make home, and I'll call Frank and I'll be like, hey, can you go check the hot tub? What does that consist of for you?
From then to now, it's just I just peek out the window. Yep, Jackie, both lights are on. It's good to go.
And like the other day, we just refilled it and did our salt system, and the green light was flashing, and he's like, "What does that mean? Is something wrong?" I mean, so I've got him trained that if the lights are blinking, that something's not working. And it was just I was softening the water. I was putting the pillow in to make the water soft, and so it slowed down the circulation. So it kind of made it think that there was an error going on, but there really wasn't anything going on. But it's just absolutely awesome, and it is a convenience that you have to have, especially in the winter months. Here in the Midwest, I mean, we have some terrible, terrible months that you don't want to go outside, and our number one service call is typically a dirty filter or water level that's too low. And in those winter months, we had 14 days in a row this year that was below 42 degrees.
Worst winter ever.
Or 42 below, I'm sorry, not below 42 degrees, but it was super cold. And people were not, but there were people out there that were not checking their hot tub. And if you'd have this Ready Light, you just have to look out the window and it's great. I mean, it has totally made our life totally made our life easier. And if you don't have it, it's something you are 100% going to miss.
Absolutely.
I really stumbled through that. It's something you're 100% going to miss.
I think they get it.
Do you think so?
Yeah,
get the Ready Light. You're gonna love it. It's a feature that's on the Hot Spring Spas, and it will change your life. Hot Spring Spas, every day made better.